"Thank you," said CoreWeave. "You're welcome," said NVIDIA, following a $6.3 billion deal between these two companies. Under this agreement, NVIDIA will purchase any unused computing resources from CoreWeave, reducing revenue risk for the cloud computing company as it builds out its infrastructure. This partnership not only secures reliable access to cloud-based GPU resources for NVIDIA, but also strengthens ties between the two firms, with NVIDIA already owning a significant stake in CoreWeave. The guaranteed use of excess server capacity goes from now until April 2032. The deal serves as a financial backstop for CoreWeave, ensuring its data centers remain utilized even if customer demand fluctuates. Analysts view this agreement as a positive development for CoreWeave, addressing concerns about its ability to fill data center capacity beyond major customers like Microsoft and OpenAI. CoreWeave has already seen significant growth driven by the rapid adoption of artificial intelligence tools, but faces challenges with operating expenses jumping nearly fourfold to $1.19 billion in the second quarter. CoreWeave's partnership with NVIDIA comes after significant deals with major clients, including an $11.9 billion contract with OpenAI and a commitment of up to $4 billion through April 2029. Sticking with big data, Hyperscale Data has launched a $100 million Bitcoin treasury strategy as part of its transformation into a pure-play artificial intelligence data center and digital asset company. The initiative will be funded through Montana data center asset sales and equity offerings. Hyperscale's subsidiary Sentinum has operated a Bitcoin mining business for years, providing a foundation for the company's MicroStrategy-style treasury approach. The company currently holds 11.1159 Bitcoin, worth approximately $1.23 million, earned through mining. Hyperscale plans to expand its Michigan campus from 30 megawatts to potentially 340 megawatts for AI and cloud computing operations, with a staged build-out expected to reach 70 megawatts over the next 20 months. The company will maintain transparency through weekly crypto holdings reports, with recent disclosures showing $101,123.70 in XRP purchases. This strategic shift allows Hyperscale to direct capital and management attention toward Michigan, where the company expects substantially higher long-term asset values. CEO William B. Horne stated that this marks a pivotal moment in Hyperscale Data's evolution, building a company anchored in artificial intelligence and digital assets. The company's treasury strategy emerges as corporate Bitcoin adoption reaches over 1 million BTC, worth $116 billion across 190 entities, facing what Coinbase research describes as the end of the easy money era. Hyperscale Data's subsidiary, Ascencore, can also boast big numbers as it surpassed 1 million cumulative app downloads, showcasing growing demand for AI-driven solutions. The company's AI chat assistant and workflow assistants provide powerful tools for financial analysis, business productivity, and real-time data insights. Hyperscale Data also plans to sell its Montana data center assets to focus on its Michigan campus, which is expected to become a cornerstone AI and high-performance computing hub, with a potential capacity of 340 megawatts. The Michigan facility has already seen successful deployment of NVIDIA GPUs, validating its ability to deliver purpose-built AI and HPC infrastructure for enterprise clients. Hyperscale Data's CEO, William B. Horne, believes the Michigan campus could be worth a large multiple of its current value and wants to focus energy there. The company anticipates that the sale of Montana assets will strengthen its balance sheet and accelerate the Michigan build-out. Hyperscale Data's revenue guidance for 2025 is between $125 million and $135 million, driven by increasing momentum in its software license business, particularly with the launch of one-time software licenses for the Alt blockchain. The company has seen strong demand and rapid growth in orders, with over 170 affiliated individual salespeople spanning multiple countries. Gresham Worldwide, Hyperscale Data's defense affiliate is expected to contribute approximately $40 million in annualized revenue upon reconsolidation, following court approval of its Chapter 11 reorganization plan. On to the high seas. Ocean Power Technologies, OPT, has announced a strategic partnership with Gradient Marine, a U.S.-based provider of advanced digital modeling, simulation, and hardware-in-the-loop environments. The partnership aims to integrate Gradient Marine's Virtual Maritime Picture (VMP) software into OPT's operations, enabling the development and deployment of digital twins for its flagship platforms, including the Power Buoy and WAM-V autonomous surface vehicles. These digital models will allow OPT and its customers to conduct real-world simulation, mission rehearsal, and lifecycle testing in a virtual environment before deployment. This is expected to accelerate development cycles and reduce operational risk. The partnership will also expand OPT's digital engineering processes, providing new tools for defense, security, and commercial customers seeking to optimize maritime operations. According to Jason Weed, Senior Vice President of Commercial Sales at OPT, this partnership is a significant milestone for the company, enabling it to offer customers unprecedented confidence through simulation before deployment. This will lead to faster innovation, reduced risk, and better mission outcomes across defense, offshore, and commercial sectors. Weed emphasized that integrating digital twins into OPT's engineering and customer workflows is a game changer, enhancing platform development and testing, and providing customers with a powerful capability to model and rehearse operations before deployment. The partnership is expected to open new opportunities in defense, offshore wind, aquaculture, subsea infrastructure, and environmental monitoring, while also providing access to Gradient Marine's Department of Defense customer network. Taylor Wilson, President and CEO of Gradient Marine, highlighted the value of high-fidelity mission simulations in improving maritime operations, stating that VMP users can instantly assess how Ocean Power Technologies systems will perform in realistic operating environments. Other autonomous ocean moves could soon be coming from Arbe Robotics after it announced that its Tier 1 supplier, Sensrad, has received an order from Watchit for the Sensrad Hugin D1 radar. This radar system will be used for WATCHIT's collision prevention system designed for recreational boats, providing reliable perception and navigation support in all weather and lighting conditions. The Sensrad Hugin D1 radar is versatile and fully customizable, making it suitable for various industries, including commercial vehicles, boating, robotics, and more. WATCHIT's collision prevention system was developed with inspiration from automotive safety technology, utilizing proximity sensing and marine AI to autonomously assess risk. According to Tal Duvdevani, CEO of Watchit, Sensrad's radar provides the precision and reliability needed to push their vision of proactive safety on water forward, making smarter boating the new standard. Kobe Marenko, CEO of Arbe, congratulated Sensrad on this milestone, highlighting the versatility of Arbe's technology across industries. The new application in recreational boating demonstrates the strength, reliability, and adaptability of Arbe's radar-based perception solutions. Sensrad's recent purchase order for Arbe chipsets will be used in multiple programs, including autonomous vehicles for off-road applications and a China-based Tianyi transportation project. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.